This video is sponsored by Lekato. Alright guys, in today's video I am reviewing the Jamelo Wireless Microphone set with the receiver. Jamelo is a sister company of Lekato, a company I'm familiar with and have used products before. Here's my looper pedal for them, nice little unit. This is a twin wireless mic set that is ideal for karaoke and other stuff such as conference calls. So here's the unboxing. It's pretty straightforward. In fact, my package didn't even have any sellotape, so I didn't need to get a knife or any scissors or anything. We have the instruction manual here. It comes packaged with the power supply and a cable, which is nice. The mics are here wrapped up. We also have anti-slip rings. We also have two foam covers. Weirdly, I thought they weren't packaged that well. It felt like they were pressed in a bit, but they'll soon take the shape once you use them on the mic, so that's nothing to worry about whatsoever. And here we have the receiver, featuring two XLR inputs, the mix jack, the DC in jack, and of course an antenna for either side. Battery assembly is nice and simple. You don't even need to use a screwdriver or anything since the cap unscrews itself. It takes two AA batteries, which are not included, and yeah, you slot them in like this. Hopefully you're better at putting batteries in than I am. So yeah, setting up the receiver itself, using the 9V plug provided, or if you have your own one, feel free to use that. Hold the button for a couple of seconds and then voila, it's on. So these are dynamic microphones, which means you do not need any phantom power to make them loud enough. Also they have cardioid polar pickups, so that picks up sound mostly from the front and rejects sounds from the back or sides. On the receiver I'm using mic B here, so it's the one on the right. RF on the right stands for radio frequency, AF stands for audio frequency, and you can see it go up as you talk. Frequency is what channel you're on, and this B here just tells you that you're using mic B. On the mic itself we have battery level on the left, the frequency in the middle, and the current working channel on the bottom. So to change channel, you unscrew the battery compartment, and then there's this little button here. As you can see, when you tap it, it changes the channel. I'm using mic B for this one, so the channels are 6 to 10. And here it is on the console as well. For specs and features, we have 15 available channels, 200 feet range. The build quality of this mic feels pretty good, feels quite sturdy, and it does have those anti-slip rings which help prevent damage if you do drop them. And the dual antenna design provides optimum resistance against radio frequency interference and dropout. The ways you can set this up are using a mixer into a power amplifier and then into a speaker, or simply use an active speaker. You can also use it into a sound card which can go directly into your PC. Obviously the best way to demo this would be to do some karaoke, but that's not going to happen, so we'll just do some general speaking. First I'm going to do it through my guitar amp, since it's the only decently sized speaker I really have available, so it will come out a little distorted, but you'll get the general gist of it. Okay, so at this point I have my current mic up against my amp and I'm speaking through this one here. Also it picks up from here, so if I move the mic around like I'm doing now, it'll get louder here and quieter here. The transmission is said to be up to 200 feet, so I should be able to go here and it won't like lose it or anything. That good? Yeah, I think that's good. So now I'm going to test what it sounds like without the pop filter versus with it. Obviously the point of this is to reduce pop sounds. Here's without. So now the pop sounds are more reduced. So that's nice. So now I'm sending it through my audio interface. Also, as you can see, I've bypassed all effects on this just so you know what the raw sound is like. I'm trying not to let it clip, but this way I can just use it as if I'm recording a video in general. I probably wouldn't use it for this regularly just because I don't have a mic stand for this, so I can't do it hands-free. It doesn't fit in the shock mount for this one because this mic is a lot thicker. So yeah, this could be ideal for a podcast or something like that. Once again, as you can see, I'm talking and moving it, so it's louder in the top than it is anywhere else. And again, we'll do a pop filter test without the pop filter, with the pop filter. So overall, this mic set is incredibly easy to set up, didn't take me much effort at all. Sound is quite good, it's durable. And yeah, there's two of them, so if you want to karaoke with your mate or next time you're with your Uncle Paddy, then yeah, this is a great way to do so. On Amazon it is retailing for £80 in the UK. This is with the two mics and the receiver and all the other stuff that comes with it. So that's overall, that's it for this review. I've been Golden Ninja Vlogspot. See you soon.